Labas, aš esu Bainers festivalyje, kurį mes organizavome ir dabar aš kalbėsiu su grupe, kuri laimėjo alternatyvios Eurovizijos konkursą Anglijoje ir grupė atstovavo Italijai, kadangi kiekvieni dalyviai gali pasirinkti, kurią šalį jie atstovaus. Taigi, hi guys!
Hey, ciao bella!
So you're the winners of alternative Eurovision in UK. Can you tell me how did you decide to participate in this event? Like, what's your story?
It's very sad.
Very sad.
Very
Papa,
sad.
very ill man.
Yeah, Papa hit the boom boom, got the papa. So
huh?
yeah, we need the money. We need the money for the boom boom.
Ice cream shop.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Ice cream shop.
So-
East London.
Yeah, so
East London.
we sing the song for the
Ice cream song.
Eurovision 2.
Why ice cream?
Why not ice cream? Oh, everyone loves
Yeah.
ice cream.
Is it because you're from Italy?
In Italy, we have the band,
Band, play songs.
the ice cream. So we drive the van, we serve the ice cream, we sing the song.
What inspired the words of the song, the lyrics?
Ice cream,
Ice cream.
ice cream.
So what are they like?
Vanilla,
Strawberry.
chocolata.
Vanilla.
Okay, great guys. What are maybe you have some greetings for Lithuanian listeners of your song?
Hey, Lithuania, you like ice cream?
Yeah.
You like ice
We
cream?
love Lithuania.
Do you?
Yeah,
Can you tell me the capital?
ice cream.
Okay, can you say ice cream in Lithuanian? It's ledai.
Ice cream in Lithuanian.
It's ledai.
Ledai.
Lede.
Ledai.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.